Na. Huwag kayong magkakasalubungan.
Oh!
Mga pupo. Ay, Diyos.
Kanina ka Tekram, 2 beses to siya na tumba.
Hayok mo na nan mo ita.
Titingin ka sa side mirror, hindi ko.
Wala naman side mirror.
Magaling yung
Wala yung side mirror.
Ako po, kaya ko na po yung kaila ate po.
Oo nga, hindi ko nga nakawanan yung ano mo eh, yung pagtanggal mo ng 2 gulong sa likod.
Akin, okay na. Pero na hindi. Baka yung kay ate Angel ko, maluwag yung kadena ko. Wala sa gawin ng bloke. Kasi iba pa alam.
Be careful kasi. Yes. Mabilis kasi mag-drive eh.
You'll fall again. Need my basket.
Yes. I'm going to SN.
I'm going to
I'm going to Paul.
Tatay, can you please get out my bike pop?
Okay. Mhm. Munti ka na sa postes. Huwag kasing mabilis, Nico.
For me to drive this thing, I need to be fast. Are we getting fast?
Natutumba ka na nga eh.
Break down, pa.
Okay.
I'm going to get, go hide at the gym.
Si Tuito Darius, so parang kailan lang ho siya nag-ano ka
Ayaw
Tekram.
ng grasya siya.
Ha?
Ayaw ng grasya.
Tatay,
Saan?
look in my hand. It can be a hole.
Ah, hindi.
Siguro okay naman yung ano.
Tatay.
Kasi sinabi naman sir na okay
Yes.
naman yung buhay. Parang gusto niya lang patulungan. Ang ganda nung ano niya, yung mga message nung 2 matanda, no?
Oh.
Tatay,
Sa magkuya, no?
look in my hand. It can be a hole there.
Mamagalo ka muna.
Good morning, good morning, good morning.
Mhm.
Mga katekra. Mag-good morning ka. Mag-good morning ka. Para mapanood ka nila.
Ah, dito ka, dito.
Tatay, my hand can be a hole there.
Nagilaw ka.
Good morning ka mo. Sige na. O, sige. Para matututo ka na. O, sige. Siya kasama ko siya. O, sige. Second demotion ka.
Kahapon pa nga sila tumutulong sa iyo eh.
Napakasipag siya ng mga bata. Nagkarwas ako, nagkarwas din sila.
Tumutulong ho sila ka Tekram.
Nagupit ako, nagwawalis din. Sige, good morning ka. Para makita ka ni Nanay Apan. Aba, hindi mo nakilala si nanay mo. Ano na tawag mo sa akin? Careful. Sige na.
May tawag mo kay Tito Darius? Daddy?
Tatay na, sir. Ako na,
Tatay na.
tatay na. Tingnan mo kung dumikit para limpa. Nahihiya na, dalaginding na. Oh, good morning ka na raw. Aba. Nahihiya, sir. Bata pa. Bata pang isip. Sige, ganun, ganun.
So you cannot choose the same one.
Kapon pa ho sila tumutulong kay tito nila eh. Pagka-car wash. Pagdadamo. Oo. Diyos ko po, Noah. Kaya... Do you need my help? Be careful. Nico, you put your two wheels. Eh kaso na pagka namamadali niya eh.
Daya, this only get mad to me.
Why?
Yeah.
The palay.
Don't go there, ha? Kasi there's a palay na.
Jen, Tito Ramo.
It's Makate.
Tito Ram.
Angelo, yung gamitin mo yung sayo, masisira yan. God bless. Gamitin mo na lang yung sayo, masisira yung kay Kuya Ramshan mo. Asa sayo? Ano sira? Yung... Ba't nasira? Spring o yung ano? Paano spring? Ate Summer, wait lang. Saan yung sira? Patingin, kumari yan yung sayo.
Yung bilog po na ano po.
Sige, asan dyan? Turo mo sa akin.
Nandito po yun sa loob po.
Saan?
Doon po yata sa loob.
Sa loob. Ba't ang bilis naman?
Sa akin, ano na yung sa dito sa akin.
Oh. Kala ko. Ano ba? Nagagamit mo pa ba yun sa'yo? Hindi na din. Anong nangyari sa bagay? Paano hindi masisira? Kahit magdamag, ginagamit ni Angelo, Tito Darius.
Di na kontento sa labas na. Kasi sa loob ng library, nagbabike.
Ay.
Sumuko yung bike.
Yes, Magian.
Look at this. I can open shop.
Okay.
Travis ka rin.
Kasi hindi nag-iingat. Yung kay Angel din daw po. Si Nico talagang hirap pa si Nico. Kategram.
say kay Ben daw.
Benben.
Polo.
Ben.
Oh, may nahuli ka na.
Sarap, masarap pa sa mansanas. Oh, tatay.
Ako nga kahit, hindi, ano lang, tikman ko lang. Ayan po yung mabolo namin ka Tegram. Oh.
Sarap.
Thank you.
Angela, go to
Mhm.
Yum, yum, yum.
No.
Ba't nasa labas ko?
Dadalhin yata nila tatang.
Okay.
Si Nico, parang, di pa ano, baka maano siya, laging natutumba.
Hindi, nagpa-practice siya. Wala, kailangan yun eh.
Oh.
Ang ano naman kay Nico, talagang porsigido siya.
Kaya lang, yung drive niya, masyadong mabilis.
Hindi, kailangan niyang mag-speed, mag-ano ng speed eh.
Tamang speed lang, sabihin mo.
Hindi, mahirapan siyang mag-balance kapag mabagal.
Ah! Oh! Ayan na. Ang bilis masira, no?
Kaya mo na.
Are you sure you don't need that na?
No.
Okay. Ang bilis namang ano. Kuya Gus, yung kay ano, Angel, wala ding ano. Angel, yun sa'yo, nasan? Kunin mo. Ayusin ni Tito Gus. Si Angelo, yung sa'yo Angelo, baka magawa natin.
The wheel is gonna be for
Yung bilog-bilog.
Actually,
Okay, sige. Kasi ano eh, pati gabi, ginawang umaga sa pagbabike ni Angelo Katekram. Kagabi lang siguro nasira. Kagabi kita nakitang ano yung kay ate mo. Okay, kasi kahit gabi ka Tekram, nagbabike pa sila.
like complicated because we are gonna fall this side. Angela, why? Tatay, don't show your tummy. I saw your zip.
Ay, sorry, my Gian. Ayaw niyang ipakita ko sa ibaw yung ano ko, tummy daw. Ba, Kuya Gus, may nana ka yata ka eh. Malungkot ang ating Kuya Angelo. Papayos natin ha. Okay? Graduation niya pa naman sa ano, sa 31. Ano kaya gusto mo? Anong gusto mo? Bilan na lang kitang bago o pagawa na lang?
Wait, fix it. Fix it. Just fix it.
Anong gusto mo? Bibilan ng bago o pagagawa na lang? Ha?
Papagawa na lang.
Okay, good job. Ba't pagagawa na lang? Sayang ang pera. Masisave na lang, no? Okay, good job, Kuya Travis. So, I asked Angelo if he want me to buy new or to fix it. He says fix na lang daw.
Yeah, I need to fix fix my hair.
Yeah. Okay, what will you say, my son? Okay.
I also need to fix my hair.
Okay na, wala na problema. Oh, what will you say naman to Kuya Travis? Oh, because Kuya Travis wills. Ayun na, Kuya August. Ayun kayo, Angel.
Ano yan? Napano naman ba yan?
Ayun.
Ha?
Ay, ayun pala.
Napano ba yan?
Natanggal lang pala yung kadena.
Yung kadena?
Ayun, oo. Kala ko, ano na.
I will stop broken.
Ingat kasi kayo, hindi yung dapat. Ganyan din tayo dati, no? Pagka natatanggal yung mga ano natin. Baka kailangan ng adjustment here, dito. Baka masyadong maluwag.
Okay.
Mm.
Don't get mad at me.
The Summer! 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 Where's Summer? Summer! You ano daw? You mad to Gian? Why?
No. What you said?
You're mad daw. You are mad.
I'm a little bit mad.
Why?
What do you mean you're little? You're always mad at Julian. Yeah. Because Gian, I told you. Regis is right. No. I saw his sounds broken. And I'm just mad and making fun of her.
Oh, look, she go there. Why you always mad nga? Did Gian did bad things to you?
No. No. I know he's distracting my way to ride the bike so I can fall. What about the last time? When she was asking you for a puppet, then you were getting angry to her a lot of times. But we already sold that out to puppies. But you were getting angry to her. You were mad at her. You were saying bad words to her.
Oh, don't do bad things. Don't say bad words.
I'm not a small ate. I'm a big ate, but he's saying he's a big one.
Okay.
It's about the puppet.
Gian, come here na.
Even I'm always giving his way, but I'm making fun of her, but I'm just making fun of the bike, not himself.
Oh, Gian so sad oh. Let ka. Go to ano. Go to ano, Gian.
Run away. Bike first.
Because is sad. She's sad. Gian, come on na. Ate Summer will say something. You go to. Di ba you love each other? You hug her. Okay na. Oh, you hug your ate. It's ano na daw. Ate say sorry na. Oh, you hug each other na. Okay. Oh, you kiss each other. Mwah. What about my Gian? You kiss your ate.
Lips is dry.
What?
My lips is dry.
Oh, you hug each other very tight. Very tight. Two hands, my Gian. Okay. So no fighting na. Okay. Your Ate Summer didn't
I'm even trying to protect her, but he's still complaining and shouting.
Oh, ate protecting you pala.
Because I'm getting mad because he's not listening to me.
Oh.
He's getting distracted. I just need to go to Tita. Because I don't know to his mind, because his mind is a little bit strange when he do bad things. He just run away if he do bad things. He's just gonna run away all times. Not me will say bad things. I'm talking a good way. And last time when I'm at Summer's house, she's talking badly to me. No, because I'm mad because he's not listening to me. Because
Gian, come here muna. We're talking. Gian, come here. Come here muna, Gian. I'm talking to your Ate Summer. You listen to your ate. Come here.
I'm protecting you when that word is I'm putting the man to you so you can have no pain.
Oh, you listen. So, don't say any bad words na ha. Okay?
Okay.
Majian, did you say bad things, bad words?
Sometimes he didn't answer me.
I just didn't answer you, but no bad words.
He's just going like,
I just like that.
and he's gonna run away again.
But what bad words did you say ba?
What's farting words?
What hurting words?
Not farting words, farting words. I cannot understand. It's too long.
Okay. I don't fight na. It's ate didn't ano.
I'm not angry. I'm just little bit angry. It's not a misunderstanding for you, Gian.
Yeah.
But Curtis is right.
What?
He's always letting the Jason let me get hurt and no protecting. Because he's always dissing me and doing always nothing and not. Also, Gian, I told you I'm protecting with the boys.
Yeah. Ate protecting you pala.
And his brother still dissing her. And
Okay.
you're making me hard time.
Okay, let's go na. You ano na. You bike na.
But Curtis is making me laugh.
Don't you like that?
Nika's laughing. Making me laugh.
Okay, let's go na. You bike na. Enjoy the na. Don't fight na. Oh, be careful, lad. Summer. Oo. Kuya Nico.
Wait. Sorry. I have no Wi-Fi. You better use your Wi-Fi next time. What are you gonna say to me? You did great. Slow down. I'm going 90 miles per hour. Mommy.